If you missed my last few videos, take a look at just some of what you missed. Are you guys in line to use the box right now? They're using God. I created this device for you to talk to. You died yesterday? Who died yesterday?
No.
So last night I found some old 8mm movie reels in my closet that I haven't seen in a long time. I pray to the heavens, I pray to my Lord for you, Dad. You're a good man. You protected your family. You provided for your family.
Oh, beautiful. See.
You go. When you're blindfolded and you can't hear much of anything, I heard this muffled. I swear I felt like there were just multitudes of spirits around me.
Well, we'll give it a try.
Hello?
I don't want nothing from you.
You don't want nothing from me? I'm just here out of friendship and communication.
Jesus came to set us free. Presence of light.
Presence of light?
The muscle shows in that t-shirt.
The muscle shows in that t-shirt. I don't know, guys. Does the muscle show in that t-shirt? That was weird. And we're recording. So hopefully this doesn't destroy my $1,500 recorder. In the water we go. I'm gonna back here so you can see it. Hey guys, this is Steve Huff from Huff Paranormal. Today I'm gonna do an experiment. I have told you guys that my belief is spirits are not using microphones on recorders like this.
Sickening crimes done in this house. And the person responsible, are you stuck here in your own hell?
Ooh, yeah. Get out. I believe they imprint their messages directly to the recorder using the internal noise of something like the DR60. But can we prove this without destroying... Oh, my voice sounded weird. Can we prove this without destroying the microphone? Yes. See, I have a watertight, waterproof Pelican case. I also happen to have a pool in my backyard. So what would happen if I pressed record, put this in the case, held it underwater while I asked questions? Let it record about a minute, pull it up, and see if we get replies. If we get the same type of voice reply, then it is proof that they're not using the microphone. If it sounds the same kind of imprint and sound quality, they're imprinting it directly onto the device. I've recorded EVPs using a GoPro underwater before, so I know they don't use the mic, but a lot of you don't really know this or believe it. Some of you do. So I'm going to prove that spirits do not use the microphone on EVP recorders or really any device that records. They're imprinting their voice directly onto the recorder itself. Okay, I'm outside. The recorder's not in here yet. I want to first test to make sure that this is going to be waterproof and no water leaks. I would hate to destroy my DR60. So let's just put my foot down on it for about a minute or so. All right, let's see. So let's see if it's dry inside, 'cause we can't do this if the seal's not working, right? It's dry, so let's put the recorder in. Whew. Chilly. It's a little chilly. So now we're outside. I have the case with the recorder in it, but we're also surrounded by water. And spirits, let me make sure I'm recording. Spirits always ask for water. So now that I'm surrounded by water, we're gonna submerge the recorder that's in the case while it's recording. And I'm gonna hold it underwater and talk while I'm above water. And then we're gonna play it back to see if we get any answers. Put it in the case. So I'm gonna press record. We're recording now. We're gonna close it up. All right, so we're closed up and sealed. Let me just show you guys it's in there. And we're recording. So hopefully this doesn't destroy my $1,500 recorder. In the water we go. I'm gonna back here so you can see it. So if there's any spirits here that would like to leave a message on this recorder while it's underwater, feel free to give it a try. Can you give us a nice loud message? It's probably about 1.5 feet under right now. All right, let's open it up. It's dry, that's good. I'm gonna stop it. We're gonna play back.
We're recording now. We're going to close it up. And we're recording.
There you go, I heard voices. So how cool is that? We get an EVP underwater, and the first one clearly says testing. This spirit knew I was testing this theory, and the spirit helped me out. That's why it's so important to have guides with you, spirits who will help you do these. These spirits want to further communication, so they're helping out. And the second one, come out for air, or at least that's what it sounded like to me. How relevant is that? Let's see, let's put it back under and see if I can get another though. Because when it's underwater, you notice you didn't hear my voice at all, so it's not picking up any sounds from out here. So it's impossible for the spirit to be using the mic. They're imprinting their voice onto the recorder. We're gonna try that one more time. We're gonna close it up. And we're gonna go over here. I'm gonna push it down farther. Okay, spirits, let's try this one more time. Can you say something onto the recorder? Okay, I'm going to pull it back up. Don't want to get the recorder wet from my hands. So let's pull it out here. Still recording. Stop.
Press record. Close it up.
Okay, it's closed up, it's under. Again, very, very minor mumblings. But at least we know we can catch the voices while underwater. I've done it once before with a GoPro a couple years ago. So that's just an interesting little test. That's how we kind of know how to progress communication. Once we learn how they speak, and we pretty much have a good idea of how they speak, then we can kind of create ways for them to do so easier. Thumbs up and subscribe for more, my friends, and be sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload new videos. Also, there are hundreds of videos on this channel. You can check out the playlist and videos right here, and also check out huffparanormal.com. Thank you, love to all, and remember, love is the key.